Hello folks, today we're going to show you how to change a shower head. Do you know how to change your shower head? My grandson's helping me, he's the cameraman, and we're going to change this pretty quick. Fairly simple thing to do. You have your shower head and it's connected to the shower pipe. We're going to remove that first. All you need is a crescent wrench. Turn it counterclockwise. Oh, this is tight. Just like so. Little surprise there. That's the old shower head. It's all clogged up. It's very, very old. It's time for a new one. Another thing you're going to need, folks, is Teflon tape. It does not come with your shower head. Something you have to buy extra. So Teflon tape keeps the joint from leaking. It's a must. And you just put this on clockwise onto the threads of the pipe. This is the threads here, and we're just gonna stick it on there. Get one good overlapping thread on it, and then pull it tight. You need it to go down into the threads. 2 or 3 times around should be sufficient to keep the joint from leaking. Just like that. And we're gonna push it into the threads. That's all we need with that. And we're going to get this next part here. Now, it's going to go onto the pipe on this part right here. You can see the black rubber O-ring inside. It must have that also. So, and this is just hand tight. So we're going to tighten this down, screw it on. You don't want to use any kind of tool on this. It's not necessary. We're going to get it nice and hand tight. One more turn around, and this is supposed to go all the way around. There we go. And you want this part, which connects the hose. This is a magnetic shower head that connects the hose. As you can see, it's adjustable. And now we're going to put the hose on. Once again, we're going to put Teflon tape on this, just to make sure that it doesn't leak. Teflon tape is a must when you're doing plumbing. Rub that in, and we'll get our hose. Once again, we make sure that we have the rubber O-ring in there on both sides of this hose. We have rubber O-ring on both ends. It doesn't matter which end goes to this and which end goes to your handheld. Now we're going to screw this on. Hand tight again. Now if you're the Rock, you can break this with your hands. But I'm not the Rock, so this is not gonna happen. Alright. Now we have the handheld unit. Once again, we're going to put Teflon tape around these threads as well. And break it off, tighten it down. We're going to put this on the end of our hose. Hand tight. And that's it, folks. We've just changed the shower head. Now also you turn it on, make sure it's not leaking. If it is leaking, tighten it hand tight, a little bit tighter until it's good. There's your tip today from Coco Gumpy. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.